Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be going over how to achieve this simple eyeshadow look with a matte finish. So I'm going to be starting off with my Fenty Beauty foundation primer, and I'm just going to be rubbing that into my skin. Take my foundation from Too Faced. It's the Born This Way foundation, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face and just taking the time to blend that out with my brush. I know a lot of people use the beauty blender, but I have fallen back in love with my makeup brush. Like, I just love it. And besides, I can't find my beauty blender right now, and I happen to have quite a few of them, and I can't find either one of them, so the brush will have to do for now. Now I'm just going in with my concealer to highlight. A lot of people like the Shape Tape concealer, but this is Born This Way from Too Faced, and it's just a lot thicker and creamier to me, a lot more full coverage. I don't know, I just happen to like it a lot more. This color is in the color Butterscotch. Now you'll see me going with my foundation stick from Black Opal to contour my face. I used to be just a powder contour girl, but now I am starting to use the stick foundation to contour first and then apply the contour powder on top of that once I blend out the cream foundation. So right now I'm just going in and blending out all of that highlighter and contour that I've placed on my face. Just gonna go in and set all of that concealer that I just used with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I used to use the Maybelline loose powder, and that works just as well, drugstore brand and very affordable, instead of this banana powder, but I ran out, so I'm using Sacha Buttercup right now. I'm going in and just chiseling out those cheeks underneath my contour line and brushing away that powder. So this is really a fairly simple, almost everyday look, and here is where I'm going to start creating that matte finish that I like to have. It's just really simple, no eyeshadow needed. I just go in with that same Too Faced concealer and apply it all over my eyelids. And then I just take my brush and blend that out. All that concealer that I just placed on my eyes. Go in with that setting powder once again and set all over my eyelids. So I'm going to set that concealer that I just placed on my eyes. Here you'll just see me go in with a little bit of blush. I don't like too much, just a little pop of color from my blush palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm just going to continue to blend that out while that setting powder sits and bakes on my eyelids for a little bit. And then go ahead and brush that off with my brush. I like to pack it in instead of really brushing it off. Just pack it into the eyelid kind of. And now I'm gonna go in with my gel eyeliner from Maybelline. This is also a drugstore brand, but it works really good. I don't really like using pencil in my lower lash line. So here you'll see me setting that concealer that I placed down the bridge of my nose with the setting powder as well. Basically everywhere that you put concealer, you want to make sure that you set it with the setting powder. And then everywhere that you place the cream contour, you want to set with the powder contour. Here I'm taking my mineralized skin powder from MAC and just going in and bronzing my face, bringing in some warmth to that foundation, just all around in my cheekbone area, forehead area, things of that sort. And now I'm going to go in with that Honor Roll highlight from the crayon case, my absolute favorite. Here I'm just taking a more dense brush from the crayon case and just really blending out that highlight and making it blend into my skin. Now I'm going in with my mascara and just coating my top lashes, getting them ready to put on my false lash strips. Take the Bare lip pencil from the crayon case and just line my lips. I've already glossed them up with my Dream lip gloss from the Color by Key lip gloss line. And then I'm just gonna clean up around my mouth so I don't have that lip liner all over the place, and kind of give my lips the shape that I want it to have. And just clean that up with my concealer. And make sure I blend it out into my foundation as well. I don't want to just have a line of concealer around my mouth looking crazy, so gotta blend it out. Since this is such a beginner-friendly look, and I didn't do too much, I just want to go in and highlight under my brow bone with that Honor Roll highlighter from the crayon case, and then make sure that's really blended out up under there. And then I'm gonna go and highlight with that same highlighter in the tear duct area of my eyes. I don't know, I've always loved doing that. Just adds a little pop. Look at me modeling for y'all. I don't know why I do that. Every time I get done with a look, I'm just like, oh yeah. But here I am applying setting spray from Urban Decay. You can use any setting spray you like. And then I was just looking at my lips and I was like, let me just add a little bit of color So I went in with Clean Kisses from the crayon case as well, just to add in a bit of a pinkish nude tint to my lips. And then as always, I'm just gonna go in with my finger and blend out that ombre. And that is it, you guys. You have made it through another YouTube tutorial with your girl, Kiki. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also leave a comment and let me know what other looks you guys are interested in seeing, because I love doing this for you all. So that's it. See you all next time.